I'm perplexed.
Baby girl, I ain't lying, I'm coming for your heart. From the start, I like you how you is and just the way you are.
Anywhere but where we are. Ain't nobody. Guys, it's Leek. Welcome back to my channel. I'm not naked, just wearing a tube top like always. And today I did this really fun look with two different eye colors, well, two different eyeshadows on each eye. This was inspired by a post that I saw on Instagram a couple months ago. I've been wanting to do it and I finally did it today. Love the way it looks. This is probably going to be like the end of summer makeup look, so this is the last colorful makeup look I'm probably going to do because now we're transitioning into fall, at least in my head, because as soon as I start school, Uggs, sweaters, leggings, like it's over, it's a done deal. So this is the last summer look. I hope you guys really enjoy it. If you want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. Thank you, loves. Oh, by the way, does it sound, and look at my background, look at my background. I totally built it out of scratch. It's disgusting. I'll probably show you a little bit later, but it doesn't even fit my walls. You can tell right here. But you gotta do what you gotta do. I was getting tired of just that plain white wall, so it is what it is. Yeah, want to see how I got this look? You already know what to do. Keep on watching and make sure you subscribe before you leave. Alright, so my eyebrows are already on. I already did them because I want the main focus of this look to be the eyes. I'm going to do one pink eye and one orange eye just because I feel like it. I'm gonna like zoom through the face because I don't have to explain every product, but if you want to know, it will be linked down below. But I am going to show you my foundation, concealer, blah blah blah, all the things that I'm going to do to my face. I'm just not going to talk during that time, so let's get to that.
I wanna go through, I need a girl like you, yeah, girls like you, love all, yeah, me too. I ain't lying, I'm coming for your heart from the start. I like you how you is and just the way you are. You don't want a girl like me, I'm too crazy. But every other girl you meet is too gay. If the red light stops, I don't play when it comes to my heart. Let's get it. Baby girl, I ain't lying, I'm coming for your heart from the start. I like you how you is and just the way you are.
Bronzer. Oh! Is that my cheek? My cheekbones. So it only took me 5 minutes to do my face. So now we're gonna move on to the eyes. I'm going to demonstrate the eyes. So I'm not sure if I want the lids for both eyes to be shimmery or matte, because the look that I saw, she did a matte and I wanted to kind of do my own twist on it and put them as shimmery shades on the lid, so like all over pink with the shimmery pink lid and then like all over orange with an orange shimmery lid. But I think I'm gonna just do the rest of the eyes, and then when I get to the lid I'll think about it. But we're gonna do the pink eye first, which is gonna be this one. For the crease, I'm going to start with this Jaclyn Hill and the Jaclyn Hill palette, this little rusty little pink shade. With that pink, oh wow, it's not the pink, it's not the pink that I imagined. I'm gonna use a blush actually, so this is a Tarte blush Paaarty, and I'm gonna just use that over top of that and just really help smoke it out. I envisioned a bright pink, so not looking very bright. I'm gonna use Love Letter. So my main focuses are probably gonna be Love Letter and Real Gar. So this eye is gonna be this color, this eye is gonna be that color. So I'm gonna pack Love Letter on my lid. Yeah, that's what I had in mind. Put Love Letter all over the lid. Grab Love Letter very lightly. Like I'm gonna dust off most of it. Like I don't want hardly any of it on the brush, and I'm gonna just use that to blend the two. Just to make it nice and smoky. There is such a glare on my camera now that I have this background, like the lights. So the light is reflecting on this and this is reflecting on my viewfinder, So all I see are little dots, little sequins. I'm a mess, but I'm gonna start the other eye because I think I do want to use shimmer. For the orange eye, main focus is gonna be the 3502. Obviously, like barely even pigmented that one. I mean, it's pigmented, but we want it to like fade out. Oh yeah, this is a lot better. Straight ahead, I'm actually gonna use this really bright orange right here. I'm gonna pack that on. Pack that orange shade on the lid. Oh my god, I hate that this looks purple and not freaking pink. Like, that's not. A blending brush, go back into that bright orange, but dusting off pretty much all of it, just because I just want a little bit. Like, I'm getting so much fallout on my cheeks right now, just to make it look smoky. Look at my eyes. This is really quick, actually. This is a really quick look. I feel like smoky eyes, if you do the crease, pack on, and then blend again, I feel like smoky eyes could be so easy and so simple, because like half cut creases, like halo eyes, like you have to actually like make sure it looks precise. Did you see me about to blend? I'm gonna use this orange shade from my lid on the orange side, and then I'm gonna use this. Oh, I just dipped into eyeshadow. I'm gonna use New Money out of the chocolate gold palette for the other eye. AF, I guess. Dang. Oh, Morphe. How does my $22 Morphe palette have more pigment on the shimmer shadows than this like $50 chocolate gold palette? That's interesting. You know what I could use? I'm gonna use a Jaclyn palette, and I'm gonna go into one of these pink shades. I need this to look like something. Yes. Morphe? Morphe really be doing their thing. That is so cute. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright, lashes are on. They look different. I don't know why. I've messed with them like 100 times. And I promise you they are the same eyelash, but... or eyelashes. I combined them, but whatever. But I found the picture that this was inspired by. I screenshotted this June 1st. And I didn't even realize this is not even her page. This was on a page that reposts stuff. So I'm going to put it on the screen, but she has one orange eye, one pink eye, lip gloss. She has freckles. I'm not going to do the freckles. But if you know who she is, or you can just follow this page, it's Mood HBY. That's where I got that look from. So now I'm going to highlight. I'm going to highlight my inner corners differently. So I'm going to highlight the pink eye with this pink and the orange one with this peachy color. I'm just being wild today, which is Daydream. Sorry, I want you guys to see me, but I also want to see myself. So Daydream, flip the brush, a little trick like I did earlier. I'm going to use Kitty Cat, which is a pink color, on the other one. Oh, that looks so pretty. Alright, I'm exposing myself. This is how ghetto my background is. I had a tablecloth for my 20th birthday. God. And I cut it up. Obviously, it wasn't big enough, so that's why I just used it for zoomed in. But whatever, like... I'm not gonna... Whatever, it is what it is. So, here's the completed look. I want to give that girl her credit. If I don't find her by the time... I'm not going to find her right now because I don't have time to look for her. But if I find her by the time I edit it and put it up, which I should, I am going to put her down in the link below and tag her, because I've never seen anybody do... I've seen them do two different eyes, but like pink and orange, like the way that she did it was just so pretty. And then the faux freckles, but I can't pull that off. I'm not going to try. I'm not going to ruin that for y'all with freckles. I just put on a pink tube top because I am going to film a video after this. So when you see me with the same eye makeup and stuff, don't be alarmed. I'm gonna film 2 videos today. So this is the look. I'm gonna zoom in. I love the way it came out. I think it's so unique, so pretty. Like I said, this is not my original look, so I'm not gonna take credit for it. But yeah, make sure you thumbs up if you want to see more makeup tutorials. Make sure you comment and subscribe for some more Leak in Your Life. And yes, I'll see you guys in the next one.